The history of Coca-Cola began in the late 19th century. In 1886, Dr. John Pemberton, a pharmacist in Atlanta, created a flavored syrup, initially intended as a patent medicine. This syrup, mixed with carbonated water, resulted in the creation of Coca-Cola. The brand's iconic script logo was designed by Frank Mason Robinson in 1885. As Coca-Cola gained popularity, Asa Griggs Candler, a businessman, acquired the formula in 1888 and founded the Coca-Cola Company in 1892. The company's aggressive marketing strategies, including the distribution of coupons for free drinks, contributed to its rapid growth. Coca-Cola faced challenges, including the introduction of competing cola beverages and the temporary use of coca leaves in its formula. In 1919, the company was sold to a group of investors led by Ernest Woodruff, who later passed it on to his son, Robert Woodruff. Under Woodruff's leadership, Coca-Cola expanded globally and played a significant role in World War II by supplying beverages to American soldiers. The brand's enduring association with happiness and its iconic advertisements, such as the Hilltop commercial, have become cultural phenomena. Coca-Cola also introduced Diet Coke in 1982 and Coca-Cola Zero in 2005 to cater to changing consumer preferences. Throughout its history, Coca-Cola has faced controversies, including issues related to its ingredients and marketing practices. Nevertheless, it remains one of the world's most recognized and valuable brands, symbolizing more than just a beverage, but a global cultural phenomenon. Coca-Cola has been a global leader in the beverage industry, consistently dominating the market in terms of sales and brand recognition. Its products are available in virtually every corner of the world, contributing to its immense success. The company's extensive distribution network and strategic marketing campaigns have played pivotal roles in maintaining its market presence. Coca-Cola's sales strategy involves a diverse product portfolio, including its flagship Coca-Cola beverage, along with a variety of other soft drinks, juices, and water. The introduction of different variants, such as Diet Coke and Coca-Cola Zero, reflects the company's adaptability to changing consumer preferences. Despite its widespread success, Coca-Cola has faced controversies over the years. One notable issue is the criticism regarding the health impact of sugary beverages. The company has responded by diversifying its product offerings to include healthier alternatives and by actively engaging in public health initiatives. Coca-Cola's marketing efforts have been iconic, with memorable advertisements contributing to the brand's enduring popularity. However, the brand has also encountered challenges related to environmental concerns, particularly regarding plastic waste from its packaging. In response, Coca-Cola has committed to sustainability initiatives, aiming to reduce its environmental footprint. In summary, Coca-Cola's global sales dominance is a result of its effective distribution, diverse product range, and impactful marketing. Despite facing challenges and controversies, the brand remains a powerhouse in the beverage industry, continuously adapting to meet consumer demands and societal expectations. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the content, I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe, like, and leave your comments. Your support means a lot.